talking about resilience, talking about a beast of a company, Meta, Meta Platforms, formerly known and still known as Facebook. Man, the market got beat down today. And for some reason, Meta just was not phased, man. Now don't get me wrong, don't get me wrong. They pulled back some. They pulled back to a level that I mentioned, in the Discord. Speaking of Discord, we currently got a 7-day free trial, man, on the Patreon, man. 7-day free trial for the $10 a month tier, where you get all the stock alerts, the watch list, Flacco's latest moves. You get access to the chat, one-on-one sessions. You want me to look over any charts, things of that nature. I got you. You know what I'm saying? But again, 7-day free trial until February on the Patreon for to get access to the Discord. So, like I said, speaking of the Discord, man, come on now. There we go. Just the other day, man. Just the other day. Watch this. Up, look right here. Meta platforms. This was on January 8th. This was Wednesday. Wednesday, January 8th. All morning we held that key level of 608. Although soon as market open, we had a bottom tail wick off 603, which is the top of that demand zone, which is between 597.50 and 603. However, with continued weakness in the overall market, we may close out near that bottom wick. Overhead resistance or massive supply area is 618, but for now, that level appears to have dropped lower to roughly 616. And if we check Meta on the day, nope, on the day, Meta, look at FinViz, here they go with the math. On the day, I don't know if it'll tell me here. Now that I think about it, I don't know why I'm even on FinViz. Right? Well, really, actually, I clicked the wrong button. But I thought I'll be able to see the price for today. Oh, yeah, actually, let's see. Nope, it don't say. Oh, yeah, maybe right there. Low of the day, 597.34. But really, what I wanted to use, yep, right here. There we go. Low of the day, 597.34. So, like I called it yesterday, I said if we fall below, we're going to fall down to 597.50. Fell slightly below that before recovering and going as high as $629.91, almost $630, while the market got obliterated today. I mean, just straight up beat down. So, as we can see, Meta platforms, according to analysts, they rated as a buy. We know Meta is definitely a buy. Their price to earnings is super, super low. So they're a great value company, man. Like the value that you get for investing in Meta, even at 615, is not bad at all. Because we know they own Facebook, they own Instagram, they own WhatsApp, they own something else I can't think of. I mean, the list goes on. They just linked and merged or something, partnered up with eBay. So now eBay is going to be going through Meta's or Facebook's marketplace for the push product. I mean, the list goes on, man. They just added a new member to the board. Can't remember her name. You can look it up. Facebook's a new board member. Y'all know I'm here for the technicals, but I still give you some of the news. Oh yeah, can't forget. Also, another reason this stock probably went up today, TikTok, they're talking to today, Supreme Court was discussing the ban of TikTok still. They're looking to still ban TikTok on January 19th. So, I mean, it was just a number of things that came through to have Meta go to the upside. But let alone, man, even if not, Meta has been doing this stair stepping up. I mean, for the past couple of years, man. Zuckerberg that turned this company around from the ugly duckling to the beloved darling of the stock market, man. Everybody wants to be involved and wants a piece of Meta, like without a doubt, you know. And if we look here on their finance sheet, on their balance sheet, you will be able to see why, man. Let's go to their financials. Check out their financials on Meta platform. That good old Facebook. Oh my gosh, insane. Insane. So 2021 and 2022 was pretty stagnant, pretty stayed average, and then increased in 2023 for their total revenue. Gross profit, it's crazy. Billion, 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 billion. They're in the trillions, man. Like operating income. No, where's the net income? Like it just goes on, man, dealing with their revenue, their income statement. We look at their balance sheet, look at the assets. Assets are just increasing. Liabilities slightly, but that's part of the capex as they're investing heavily into artificial intelligence, man. But you can't go wrong when it comes to Meta, man. So let's get back to Meta. Let's dig into this chart. So as you see right now, man, on the 15-minute, we are currently sitting on top of that 50-day moving average, which is kind of curling to the downside. But other than that, man, it's sitting on top of it. The sad part is, as you can see here, never used the brush, but we're gonna try it today. As you can see here, it just can't really find a clear direction over that moving average, which could lead us back down into that area there. But we'll see. Don't know. Anywho, it went back and forth through all of that, man. Can't stay on top of the 50-day moving average, but it currently is sitting on top of there right now. So zoom out. I already know the levels in my head off of Weeble. If Meta cannot hold over 608 when it comes to next week on Monday, we're going back to test 602 or that 603 again before falling to that 597.50. If we fall below that, we're going to 592. 592 could hold up, man, but the real demand zone is really that 587. 587 is going to be a line in the sand because if it falls below 587, that high demand area could turn into a supply, and we can stand it at 587 for a little bit of time, man, until we go down to 578, 572, then back down to the 555, 556 range before going to 540. I'm not saying Meta can go that far, but as you see, Meta moves very parabolically from 597 to 630 today in one trading day, back down to 615. It moves like Tesla, man. So that's what we got for Meta. Appreciate you guys tuning in to the channel. Stay tuned, man, for more. We got a lot coming on a lot of these mega caps because the market's pulling back, dealing with this inauguration that we got with Donald Trump about to become, not about to become president. He's about to actually go into office. So be easy, man. Be patient. Trade these stocks like they say. Trade like water. Don't get committed and don't over leverage yourself, man. Risk to reward, baby. Securing these bags. Everybody eats. You heard? One love.